It's time to chase away those winter blues, honey, and bring on the freshness of spring. Today's video, a beautiful blue and gold tablescape, just in time for that Mother's Day inspiration. Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and if this is your first time visiting, I would love to welcome you. I hope you enjoyed today's video and return as a family member. Now let's quickly go through what we're going to be using on today's tablescape. I finally got around to unpacking the chinoiserie. So let's bring in those gorgeous chinoiserie accents, blue tablecloth, dinnerware, vases, and florals. For my runner, I'm using Dollar Tree scarves. And then I'm coming in with some gold accents in my napkin rings, chargers, and gold rim plates. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and let's put this one together, and we'll meet again at the reveal. Happy Tablescape Tuesdays, the weekly open collab brought to you by the Ladies of Elegance. That is myself and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So sit back and enjoy the reveal. hope you enjoyed this springtime blue and gold tablescape with chinoiserie accents, and that it gives you inspiration to put together a beautiful tablescape at your home. Let me know what you think in those comments, because you know I love hearing from you. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family, because honey, like I always say, it's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. And to all my tablescaping divas, my fellow YouTube creators, Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just create your Tablescape video and be sure to use our hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 24 so we can find you and add you to the playlist. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.